How's it going, everybody? I'm Brandon Peace, and this is Turkey Leg TV. So, today, what are we doing? We're turning this log into a shift knob. Alright, bring him on over here. So we turn this log into a shift knob, but first thing we need to do is we need to cut it down into shape. Alright, so we're turning this little hunk of wood, and we're going to throw it onto the lathe. Boom, there we go. So, we're going to turn this bad boy on and get it to shape. So now that we got it on there, it's time to file it down to shape. So, let's get to it. we're done with it. All we gotta do now, chop off the top, drill the hole, and put it in my car. And engrave it. We're gonna engrave this thing. So, next thing we gotta do is, I guess, get this on.
No, you don't have to make sounds.
We're making sounds. You know you gotta talk in these things.
No, you don't.
It's
gonna be silent.
It's not a silent film. I talk in these things. I talk to people. Turn it on. Is it on?
Yes.
So you just gotta go back and forth, nice and smooth like nice.
You're fucking up.
Hey, come on, baby! And we are off of there. Yes. Now it's time we get the handy dandy file out. Oh no! 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 Messed up right there. My beautiful polish. But I guess I'm just gonna have to fix it afterwards. So. Shwoom! Take a look at that right there. Get a good look. Give me a good little swivel. Alright, so next thing we gotta do is polish off the head. I know you missed me drilling a hole. Missed me drilling the hole and cutting the top off. So I just cut the top off, and now it's time to file it down to make it nice and smooth for a nice shifter knob, an elegant shifter knob. So let's get to doing it. I think we're gonna call this a night, and I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. The knob is done. It looks good. I want to kind of keep it secret. I'll show y'all what it looks like tomorrow when I'm in my car, which should be right about now. So we're here, and our shifter knob is put in. Boom! That is beautiful. We got the BP on there, all burnt in. We have a 550 cord lace wrap, and just look at it. Boom, it fits perfectly in my hand. Well, that's all for me today. I'm Brandon Peace. This is Turkey Leg TV. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram, Brandon Peace 23, and follow me on Facebook, Turkey Leg TV. And I'll see you next time. I'm out.